Hi, sir.
God bless you.
God bless you more.
See, our team is working now for all needy people in Pakistan. We are sending this, and Pakistan Christian Welfare Association is very much active in this work for the people, those who are affected with the flood. All needy people, not only Christians, all
Very
needy people.
great
Yes.
work.
God bless.
For anybody, it's not matter of Christian or Muslim or any.
That is our pastor, guys. Pastor, that's Sir Salim. And that is the cargo people, these two cargo people. This is our Christian people.
नहीं हो तो थले रखो, कंडे में आप ही रखो, जाते साथ। हाँ भाई, रखवाना कंडे में? नहीं नीचे रख। थले रख दो, थले रख दो। सीधा। चलो बढ़ाओ। ये बैक हो गई। बस ये अंदर जाएगा आपकी थले जो को। ताकि ना उस दरमियान।
We want it to reach as soon as possible.
This carton is for the children. And that last carton is for gents, and this is for ladies, and this is for the children.
The outside is more.
Outside is more. I will show you guys. Too much carton.
Different people, they help us.
Look at cartons. Cartons. Too much. And too much people send their dresses. And some people maybe they think that these dresses are this is very good still, and some of this there is still price because they did not use, and it's like this. It's very good still.
There are so many, it's complete new. Just once used or not used.
Yes.
Okay, now we will do outside.
Pagkatapos namin nag-arrange doon sa loob, ay nandito na naman kami sa labas kasi puno naman itong mga karton, pero sineparate namin yung pangbabae, pangbata at saka panglalaki at saka yung mga pang sapatos, mga sapatos, sineparate namin kasi yung iba nagka-mix-mix ba. Akala namin ay hindi namin matapos, pero nung tinawagan ng amo kong lalaki ang pastor namin ay sabi niya tutulong daw siya, tapos meron din kaming makasama dito itong mga lalaki at saka itong nakapula ay nagtrabaho na to sa cargo at kinuha na nga itong mga karton. Sa mga oras na ito ay alas 5 na ng hapon at saka ngayon pa lang kami magtanghalian kasi sobrang busy namin kanina at ito na nga nag-init-init na ako dito ng roti ba kasi kakain na kami at yung amo kong lalaki bumili na lang siya ng ulam para hindi na ako mag-init ng uulamin namin. Sobrang pagod namin sa mga araw na ito, pero sobrang worth it din naman kasi naipadala talaga sa Pakistan yung gustong ipadala ng mga amo ko at hindi nasagabal dito sa bahay at wala na talagang mga karton-karton dito, doon sa labas, ganun. Kaya masaya kami at saka wala pa daw yung isang buwan ay makarating na daw yun sa Pakistan at yun naman ang purpose nun. Kaya pinadala ng mga amo ko at nung pastor namin kasi sobrang baha talaga sa Pakistan, gaya din ng Pilipinas, sobrang baha talaga doon, kaya gusto nilang makatulong doon sa orphanage, sa mga widow. Sa kataon-taon namin to ginawa na magpadala ng charity doon sa Pakistan. At hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. God bless everyone.